Here we have the brand new Weebill, and it actually also can be used with a focus motor or a focus servo. And this is actually a really nice new one that is really small. So first, before we are going to add it on here, we already have this balance for without, but we have to balance it afterwards. But first, let's lock this down so it's easier to move around. So now it's all is unlocked. So we can just move it around, but we can use this red knob here on the side. So we can lock this so it doesn't tilt, and we lock here on the back so we can lock this and hold this like this. So now we can easily attach things to our camera. So the first thing we're going to attach is a focus gear. Show you the inside of here. So we can attach it like this. Just pull it and then slide it in. So this is attached, and then make sure it's as straight as possible on the focus ring, or if you want to use it on the zoom, you can also put it on there. It's now nicely placed. So now first of all, let's unlock this side so we can show you the bottom here. So here we have these two holes, and we are going to attach this to here or on this side, depends on where you want to be. And also in the box should be this screw knob. Because the lens is so much forward, we can actually attach it on this side instead of on that side. If it's more forward in, we can attach it on this side to make it easier. So here we're going to add it here. So now this is attached. We can lock this down. So here we can add this tube or rod, and you can either attach like this, or how I prefer it like this, because we don't really need to extend this at all. Lock this down, and also this screw knob we can pull out and change the position, so we can position it so it's not in the way. So we're going to attach it from here to the front, so we want it to be slightly more backwards so it doesn't get in our way. And now finally the follow focus. So I'm going to attach it like this because we need the gearing like this, and this is how it should fit. So we're going to slide this on here. Make sure the gear is touching there, and also make sure it's not only touching but also that it's actually in the grooves of the teeth. Here we can see the teeth moving nicely. And the final one is the USB Type-C cable. Here we have the port here and here on the inside here. Attach it here first. You can see also here written, it says focus control, and here, so that is attached. So now we need to rebalance this. So first of all, let's balance only this here. So this on the back, we are gonna lock this down. So first we're going to balance this axis so we have it actually balance and stay in this position. So we can see it's falling to this side the whole time. So we're gonna unscrew this. So you can see it's holding this position. So we can lock this down. Now this, it's now forward going there. So we're going to unlock this side. Now we can move this back, because this whole thing is now attached to the camera, or actually to the plate. You don't need to look out for it too much, so you can just move the entire thing back. Just like that. So it holds the angle. And now to the back side here unlock this, so it's moving there. So you unlock this knob here on the bottom, so it's moving too much to that side, so we need to move it out. And this one only has to be like horizontal, it doesn't need to hold it in place. So now the last one, so now we see it's moving there. So on this we have this knob here, unlock it. So hold your gimbal like this and just move it. So now it's perfectly balanced and we can turn it on.
So that was mainly it, how to attach the servo focus on the Zhiyun Weebill. Hopefully you guys found this video quite helpful. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button here below and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.